What up, everybody? Dave H, Dark Side Kennels. How's everybody doing today? So I'll just feeding the puppies. Got done with that, and they're like 5.5 weeks now. They're doing good, and they're fighting, raising hell, having a good time with each other. So fair to let you see them, see how they're progressing. And I'm going to do a video later. I'm also going to do a video later of the adult dogs running around and so forth, just see what's going on. But I got him in the big box, custom made box. Got blue. I got these blue over here. That one there, he's a bruiser. I mean, they all look good, but some stand out. Of course, they're moving around like crazy. I'm trying to... There you go, now you're standing still. They're doing pretty good. I believe that male I'm keeping right there. That male right there. And one of the other females. I might keep this blue boy, I don't know. He's a bruiser. But I got enough blue dogs. I really don't want blue dogs. That's why I'm keeping two. I'm keeping this one here and one of these females. One of these here. I don't know which one. So I was just checking in with everybody, letting you know the pups are doing good. And if anybody's interested, you can DM me or hit me up 803-228-1290. And see what we can work out. Like I said, I'll be dropping a video later of the adult dogs. I gotta go outside and do the kennels and all that. So hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.